Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this simple Valentine's Day look that is very glossy, very appropriate to slay the day. And I'm also going to be telling you a little bit about how my hair was slayed, made. And without further ado, let's go. This hair that everybody has been asking me about is from Chochair. They are also called Uniwigs.com. I'm going to link everything in the description box down below. But this is what came in the box. So when you open the box of the wig is already made and it comes with a brush. It comes with some clips that you can use to add if you would like. It also comes with an elastic band, which I find very useful, and a weave cap, which I did not use. So when you unbox the wig, it basically already has black roots and it is blonde already. I like hair like this because you don't really have to do too much to it. However, I did not want to mess this up. All the other wigs I've had, I've obviously just done what I can and it worked out. But this one was a little special, so I decided to take it to a hairstylist. It comes with a couple of combs inside, like 5 combs, which is really cool for you to hold it onto your head. It also has a little bit of a body wave to it when you first get it. It doesn't have a lot of hair, so this is not a wig that has a lot of density to it. This is my hairstylist. Her name is Sydney Shadon. If you are in the DMV area, you got to check her out because she is really good at what she does. So here she was just looking to see what color of wig cap she would use for me. All she does is she puts the glue on top of my head. She uses like special hairstylist glue, so this is not like got to be glued like I'll be using. And she just brushes my hair back to make sure that my edges are out of the way, because obviously, you know, if you want to do this at home and you want to use got to be glued, make sure you use the black one because it's at least clear. So you just want to make sure your edges are laid. She didn't do the braids actually. I got my braids professionally done by another lady, but she's just making sure that none of my edges are left out. So she's just brushing all the hair out and making sure that the glue is well saturated before putting the wig cap. So now what she's doing is putting the wig cap on. She used the method of gluing on the wig cap to create a scalp. And all she did was just basically secure the hair and make sure that the wig cap was over my ears. And she waited for this to dry. And when it was dry, she just cut off all the perimeter and then went to put the wig on, and just inch by inch, she placed the closure on. Honestly, I didn't even know you had to do it like little by little. I always would just put the glue and then put all the hair all on top of it. But she's a really great hairstylist. You guys need to check her out. She's in the DMV area. And here she's just making sure that all my baby hairs are in. She also dyed the hair. So she toned the roots because I told her I didn't want black roots. And she felt like black roots were also not it. So she toned the roots, so the roots are now light brown, and she also toned the hair. If you notice, it was more of a whitish color, and she gave it more of like a brown kind of color. I'm just showing you the close-up of what it looks. She did such a great job. The day after I got it done, by the time I put makeup on those edges, it was laying. She did an awesome job. I've never had lace look like this before. It just looks so natural. She's just cleaning off all the glue because there's a little bit of glue residue, you know, from the laying. And she used a hot comb to just, you know, press my hair. And it really was great. Like, I've never tried this method before. I don't even know if I could do this by myself for real, but that's why I'll continue going to her. So this is basically what it looked like when we were done. It looks really nice, really natural looking, which I liked. And a couple of days later, which is like 4 days later, this is now what it looked like. Now I've pressed it by myself and everything, but as you can see, the lace is not even coming undone yet because the glue she used was really great. Now, going on to the tutorial. If you have any questions about the hair, please let me know in the comment section down below. So I did my foundation as usual. I didn't want to touch on my foundation too much because I have so many videos of how I do my foundation, but I just did it like normal. I put on my foundation, I highlighted, I contoured, and then I'm going into the eyes. The eyes are the most important part because you can just really do anything for, like, you could do your regular face routine. So for the eyes, you're going to need a pink shadow and a red shadow. You don't have to use what I'm using, but I just decided to use the e.l.f. matte lipstick in True Red, and I just use this as an eyeshadow base, and I layered a little bit of red eyeshadow on top of that. It's so simple. Literally all you need is red eyeshadow, and you just blend it out to a pink, and it just really works out. So I just pack the red eyeshadow on top. As I said, no matter your eye shape, all you need to do is pack the eyeshadow a little bit above your crease and just blend it out like I'm doing. You can use like a soft brown color as your transition so that the red will blend in. Make sure you're using a fluffy brush. A lot of people make the mistake and use a harder brush, and it's not going to blend out. Morphe has a lot of great like fluffy brushes, and MAC also has some great ones too. So I'm just doing the same thing I did on the first eye to the second eye, just packing on that red shadow and blending it out. I literally used 2 eyeshadows for this look, which I wanted it to be as simple as possible so that you guys could really replicate it if you wanted to do this for Valentine's Day. Now just brushing off the powder, putting on my Tati eyelashes. You can use any eyelashes. Ardell has some really nice, natural looking lashes. For the lips, I'm going to use Vino lip pencil. Honestly, so many lip pencils are available. You can use e.l.f. lip pencil. You can use Jordana. There's a lot of great eyeshadow pencils. This is the e.l.f. matte lipstick that I used on my eyes. So I'm also going to use it on my lips and make sure it's coated, and also set it with the eyeshadow I use for my eyes. Of course, for highlight, I'm going to use Black Radiance highlight in rose gold. Very affordable. This is not something that you need to really go out of your budget for. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina Le Peach highlight, and this just gives me an extra pop. You don't have to do this. Now for the final touch that really makes this look really va-va-voom is the gloss. I use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. You can use Beauty Supply gloss if you'd like, but I've just noticed Gloss Bomb is such a high shine gloss that's not sticky, so I put a little bit over my eyes also. This is very, very simple and easy. I'm gonna just give you a pre-warning. If you're wearing this out, don't put too much gloss, and make sure you don't put gloss all the way to your crease. So just put gloss on your lids and don't put it all the way to your crease, because if you're gonna wear this out, it's gonna break apart if you do it all the way to the crease. So I hope you guys really learned from this tutorial. I had a lot of fun recording it, and I will catch you in my next tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And please, I keep asking you guys, I don't know if you're listening to me or not, please comment down below. Let me know what other videos you want to see. This is basically our channel. It's not even my channel at this point. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me. I really love recording videos that you guys want to see. You know what I'm saying? All right, good night. Bye.